Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to download and install WeChat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Google Play Store and search here WeChat. And tap on install. So here I successfully installed WeChat. Now I'm tapping on open. And if you have an account, then you can tap on login. And if you don't have any account, then tap on sign up to create an account. So that's how we can download and install WeChat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.